An award at any time is a big thing in anybody's life, but at this stage, after a lifetime in the association, it means everything, absolutely everything. I started off as a player a long time ago. I became involved in the Mayo Minor Board, and during that period we were lucky enough to win 2 All-Ireland titles. In '78 I became chairman of the county board, and was there for 8 or 10 years. And from there I went to the Central Council and was there for 21 years. The GA is everything, as far as I'm concerned. Nothing. And I was lucky enough to have a wife that accepted that. Nothing came between the GA, myself and my house. The GA was always first, and it's still first. The importance of the GA in the community, and even in particularly in rural Ireland, it's everything. It is everything, because everything rotates around the GA. In 90% of communities, they will say, we're in the centre of the fair. We'll pocket your go agus be Laura and clash, and that's the way it is. We're in the centre of the fair in every community in Ireland, and I really believe we are.